Good morning children, welcome to VEPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, in our post-periodic exam chapter 7, it is going to come in post-periodic. So we have started chapter 7, that is understanding fraction. Now yesterday we have discussed about the fraction and exercise 7a. So children, let's remind what is fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole. Now we have done 7a exercise. Today we have to start next topic, that is exercise 7b, and in that exercise 7b we have to find out the um, fraction of a whole number. So children, now in this topic what we have to do, suppose that if the question is given 1 upon 2 of 18. So what we have to take out in this fraction, in this sum, we have to take out half of 18. So what we will do, we will write one side 1 upon 2 and we will put the sign of multiply in place of where it is written of. We will replace in place of we will put what? We will put multiply sign, and after multiply sign we will write 18. So 1 upon 2 multiply by 18. Now what we will do in this sum? We will first divide 18 by 2. Now how many times 18 comes in the table of 2? So 2 nines are 18. Clear children? There is 2 nines are 18. We'll cut 18 by 2 9 times, and now 1 multiply by 9, how much? 9. So 1 multiply by 9 is 9. So children, as you assume half of 18, what is half of 18? 9 only. When we'll divide 18 by 2, what will come? 2 nines are 18. So 9 is the half of 18. And in this sum, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 18, what will be the answer? It will be 9. So this how we have to take out the fraction of the numbers which are given in the exercise. Now next topic which is given in this same exercise, that is equivalent fraction. So what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction are the fraction that in the two fractions that name the same amount are called equivalent fraction. Suppose that if the fraction is given 2 upon 4. So what will be the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 4? 2. We will multiply 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4, and 4 by 2, 4 2s are 8. So 4 upon 8 is the equivalent fraction of 2 upon 4. So though these both fractions are equivalent because they are having same number of gap in both numerator and denominator. Now children, let's see exercise 7b. You have to do this exercise in your classwork copy. So take out your copies and start writing. Now let's see exercise. Children, let's see some examples. Then we will come to exercise. So of finding fraction of a collection. Now we will see question. It is given only 4 of Neha's friends turned up and they had the delicious pizza made by Neha. Her father loved the taste of the pizza. Some pizza was left and Neha decided to give that to her dad. Neha's father ate how much? 2 upon 8 of the pizza. Now how much is 2 upon 8 of 8 pieces? So we can replace of with multiply sign. Therefore 2 upon 8 multiply by 8. So clear? So what we will do? We will divide 8 by 8. What will come? 8 ones are 8. Here we will write 1 and 2 ones are 2. 2 pieces. Neha used 1/3 of the olives and spent 2 upon 12 of the day to bake the pizza. Can you find how many olives Neha used if the jar had 12 olives? Number of olives used is equal to 1/3 of 12. Now we have to take out the olives, number of olives. So 1/3 of 12 will replace of with multiply, 1/3 multiply by 12. Now we will divide 12 by 3. So 3 4s are 12 it is. We will write 4 here and 4 multiply 1 will be 4. Thus Neha used 4 olives in all. Clear? Time spent by Neha is equal to 2 upon 12 of the day. Clear? Now Now children, equivalent fraction. Look at the figures shown below. The first figure is circle, you can see, and it is done half from the between. It is half. So half we will write in fraction how 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 is the half. Here one circle is given, and how many parts of the circle is done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 parts are there. 4 are shaded and 4 are unshaded. So what will be the fraction? 4 upon 8 means shaded portion is 4 and total portion are 8. So 4 upon 8. So this 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent fractions. Clearly both the shaded portions show the same part of the whole circle. Thus the fraction 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent, or we can say are equal fractions. Clear? To obtain the equivalent fraction of a fraction, we multiply the numerator as well as the denominator by the same number. Here you can see I have written the definition of equivalent fraction. Two fractions that name the same amount are called equivalent fractions. Now let's see some example. Here it is written 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 4. So how they are equivalent, that we have to take it out. So if we multiply 4 by 1, answer will come 4. If we multiply 2 by 2, answer will come 4. So 1 4 is 4 and 2 2 is 4. So here 1 4 is 4, and when will we multiply by 2 by 4, it will come 8. So 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent. Clear? 1 4 is 4 and 2 4 is 8 are equivalent. Means 1 upon 2 and 4 upon 8 are equivalent fraction. Thus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 8. Clear? Now next example, 1 upon 2 and 6 upon 6. So 1 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 6. On multiplying 1 by 6, answer will come 6. On multiplying 2 by 6, answer will come 12. So 1 6 is 6 and 2 6 is 12. Here 1 upon 2 and 6 upon 12 are equivalent. So hence 1 upon 2, 4 upon 8 and 6 upon 12 are equivalent fractions. Clear? For example, one question is given. Find 5 equivalent fractions of 3 upon 5. So we have to take it out. After 3 upon 5, 5 equivalent fractions. So we will multiply 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Again 3 by 5 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. 3 by 5 by 4. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Again 3 by 5 by 5. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. 3 6s are 18 and 5 6s are 30. So you can see 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20, 15 upon 25 and 18 upon 30 are equivalent fractions of 3 upon 5. Clear? So this is how we will do the exercise 7b. Now children, be ready with your copy to do the exercise. And your homework is, you have to do 2 questions which I will mark and give on WhatsApp. So that questions you have to do in your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.